Need CrystalDiskInfo to check your SSD or hard drive. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to download it safely from the official source, choose the right edition, and make sure you get the correct file. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for CrystalDiskInfo. Look for the official CrystalDisk World website. You can also go directly to its software or download page. Using the official source helps you avoid unofficial download sites and modified installers. On the download page, find the CrystalDiskInfo section. CrystalDiskInfo is a storage health utility designed to work with HDDs and SSDs, including support for technologies such as SMART and NVMe. Look for the latest available release. As of this guide, the latest listed version is 9.9.2, released on July 25, 2026. Before downloading, it's a good idea to check the version number on the official page, because software releases can change over time. Next, you'll see several CrystalDiskInfo editions. For most users, the standard edition is the simplest choice. The page provides both an installer and zip option. If you just want to download the program and use the normal Windows setup process, choose Installer. Click the Installer option under the standard edition. Your browser should begin downloading the setup file. Depending on your browser, you may see the download appear near the top or bottom of the window. Wait for the download to finish completely before opening the file. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and find the CrystalDiskInfo installer. If you don't see it immediately, use your browser's download history to locate the file. This is also a good moment to confirm that you downloaded it from the official CrystalDisk World site. Before opening the installer, check that you have the correct CrystalDiskInfo file. Then double-click it to begin the installation process. If Windows displays a security prompt, review the information before continuing, and that's all it takes to download CrystalDiskInfo. From here, you can continue with the installation and start checking your drive's health and storage information. Pretty simple, right?